guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I've got on a little bit of like a festival look. I always start out thinking it's gonna be something like a beauty look, and then I end up going a little bit crazy. Added some glitters on my freckle area. So I don't have my eyebrows done because you've probably seen the title. I'm going to review, well, try on for the first time and then review the very much anticipated. Please excuse the sounds, I'm actually moving and my fiance is getting started on the packing. So, hi. So, yeah, because I had to apologize for your noisiness.
So if you've been trying to stalk her, you should update your address.
So, I don't know if any of you follow my Instagram, but if you did, you saw that I went to the eye mats, and so Kat Von D had a booth there, and I saw this giant sign for all these bright colors of brow pomades, which I was like, oh my god, I've never seen this before. I've never seen a brow product that's like in all different kinds of colors. And if you see this little wig that I'm wearing, this is one of my favorite wigs. I was like, you know what? Whenever I wear this, because I do wear this one out, I wear this to the eye mats with this braid. Whenever I do wear it, I try to fill my eyebrows in the same color. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get a green from Kat Von D. This actually didn't come out yet. They're launching, I think, either tomorrow or Friday. Today's Wednesday, so I'm trying to get this up before it comes out. But I just got this one. I probably should have gotten some other colors because I've got some other wigs that would be fun. But I wasn't thinking, I don't know. I saw the green and it looked pretty, and they were sold out of a lot of them. It's called 24 Hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade. I've only ever used one brow pomade because I'm like obsessed with the Anastasia one, so I use that all the time. It lasts so long. Pretty much the same kind of container, like the same weight, and it has that like glass bottom. The top is much prettier, if I must say. It's got the logo with the raised design. This is in the color Lemmy Green. I'm just gonna start filling in my eyebrows. No smell. That's good because I know her Glimmer Veil had like a little bit of a smell. So I'm gonna take a little angled brush. It's actually looking kind of light now that I look at it. So it might be a little bit brighter than my hair, and if that's the case, I might like darken the arch area. Oh no! She's gonna throw up on your thing. Lychee. Oh! I am back. Cleaned up a little bit of cat vomit. My cat has a little bit of asthma because we're moving and we got some dust, so she coughed up a little bit of her food that she just ate. So I cleaned it and I'm back. My hands are washed. So the texture of it is like really soft. Like I think it's softer than the Anastasia pomade, I would say. It feels creamier. Although I've had mine for so long that it's possible that it just dried out and got thicker, because I'm trying to remember what it was when I first got it. It was so long ago. Okay, my mouth is really close up to the mic. Sorry about that. ASMR. Here we go. Oh, it's perfect. It's not as bright as I thought. This isn't the way I normally do my brows. Like start in the inside. I don't know why I did that. Now it's like really filled in there. Oh wow. Oh, it's like I didn't do that how I normally like to do my brows. So far it's going in well. It's definitely got a good amount of pigment, so it's doing a better job than the eyeshadows I would normally use. And because it's more liquidy, it's also covering the color of my brow. Oh my god, I'm loving it! Oh my god. I don't even think I need to darken it. Like, I like that it's, like, bright. Oh my god, this makes me want to wear my wig, like, out right now. Oh my god, can we take a look at this for a second? It's so beautiful. I love it so much. The color is perfect. Whenever I would wear this hair, I would have to use an eyeshadow to fill it in, and you don't really get that, like, Instagram brow look. Like, you could still see my brow hairs in there, and it's not, like, pigmented. And this is, like, pigmented and, like, sharp, you know? It's not the same effect that an eyeshadow would do. So if you got some colored hair or some wigs, definitely the colored brow pomades. You might want to look into it. And they also have all the natural shades too. It's more just that's the unique part of this launch, is the fact that she does carry like the bright colors, because I don't think any other company does. Come on, little camera, focus. Glides on so smoothly. That pigment just like shoot onto my brow. Such much color. It's so soothing to do the eyebrows. Okay, I don't know if I did a perfect job just now, but you can see the color pigment. It's so pretty. It went on so smoothly. What do you notice different on my face?
The glitter, the eyes, the eyebrows are green.
You just got it.
Well, the eyebrows? Oh, I assumed you would do that.
Yeah, but do you notice that they're like green?
Yeah,
like they
green.
like...
They're like nose green.
I'm just curious if, like, how it sets, you know? If it moves. So far it's not coming off on my hand, and I'm like patting it. But since I just put it on, I'm gonna give it a couple minutes, and then I guess I'll come back and try to like wipe it to see if it stays, because you know the Anastasia one like really doesn't move. Wow, I didn't zoom out. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. See you soon. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so it's been like maybe 10-15 minutes now since I put them on. So I'm gonna do a little test. Yeah, really not coming off. Oh, a little bit smudgy. But I did this one last, so this one was maybe like 5-ish minutes. It does feel like it is drying down. Like this one does feel like it's drying down. So in the general sense, it feels like it won't move, but you could also add powder on your brows. I know a lot of people do that to keep them matte and not smudged. Should I see if they're waterproof? I'm trying to like make this a decent review rather than just being like, I like them, because I do like them, but I'm gonna put a little bit of water and see what happens. I'm wetting my finger.
Water or cerament.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's moving. Like if someone hugs you and they like wipe your shoulder, it doesn't seem like it's gonna come off. So that's good. Don't look at me when I'm recording. I'm not gonna drag it out much longer. I like it a lot. That's pretty much all I have to say. I kind of wish I got more. Yeah, I might go back and get my natural hair color, which is like brown, if you don't know. If you're new here, this is not my hair. It's my wig. Anyway, I definitely approve, and I think that's it for this video, so I definitely would recommend it. Oh, I should probably say what the pricing is. Do they even have that anywhere? Let's see. Yeah, I don't see it here. Oh, it literally says on the top, the brow collection is almost here, and then there's a countdown. It says 1 day, 4 hours, 3 minutes, 57 seconds. That's very specific. So I'm not sure exactly what the price is, but you can probably go Google it by the time this video is out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give it a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video.
So can we skip to the good part?